In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which E is the midpoint of DC and F is a point on AC such that CF is 1/4 AC. So, F is a point on AC such that CF is 1/4 of AC and E is the midpoint of DC. If EF is produced to meet BC in G, so EF has been produced to meet BC at G, prove that G is the midpoint of BC. So, we need to prove that G is the midpoint of BC. So, for that we need to draw a small construction, that is join BD, alright. E is the midpoint of this side CD. Now, ABCD is a parallelogram. So, since ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore, the diagonals AC and BD will bisect each other at O, alright. Now, this side OC is bisected at O because it is the diagonal, it is bisected at O. So, I can say that AC is equal to twice O in, isn't it? Because AC is double of OC because it is getting bisected, right? And also there is a information that CF is 1/4 of AC. So, CF is what? 1/4 of AC, right? Which is equal to, instead of AC, I will just replace it by 2 OC, 2 into OC. So, what am I getting? Basically, I am getting CF as half OC, CF as half OC, okay, and E is the midpoint of CD. This has already been given. So, if you focus on this triangle OCD, in triangle OCD, E is the midpoint of CD, which is given. Again, F is the midpoint of OC. Proved. So, according to the midpoint theorem, we can say that this line EF will be parallel to OD, DO. Therefore, we can say that EG is parallel to DB because EG is the extended line of EF and DB is the extended line of DB, right? So, therefore, according to the midpoint theorem, we can say that EF is parallel to DO or EG is parallel to DB or FG is parallel to OB. Okay. EF is parallel to DO by midpoint theorem. Therefore, we can say this whole line, because this is the extension of this line, we can say this line is also parallel to this line, or FG is parallel to OB. Now, in this triangle OCB, F is the midpoint of OC, already given, right? F is the midpoint of OC and it's not given, sorry, it's proved. F is the midpoint of OC, proved. And also FG is parallel to OB, remember, this also proved. So, according to the converse midpoint theorem, remember, the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to the other side bisects the third side. Therefore, G is the midpoint of BC, proved.